When you purchase the Extreme PBR add-on, you own a single personal license, but you can use it on multiple devices. Before installing the add-on on a new machine, you have to temporarily deactivate its license. Press the Options button. In the Preferences panel, click on Extreme Addons link. Press the License Page button. Click the Reset Device button. Or you can directly go to extreme-addons.com, log in, click on My Account. Scroll down, click on Extreme Addons Licenses and press the Reset Device button. Now you can perform the installation process. See related video if needed. To speed up the operations, you can copy the libraries on a portable hard drive and paste them on the new machine. When asked from the installer, choose the path for extreme_pbr_default_lib folder and extreme_pbr_user_lib folder. After completing the installation, the add-on is ready to work, even offline. The license is for a lifetime. You'll be able to transfer the add-on on any new computer.